No way. Juice is the easiest and healthiest way to reduce anxiety. Every moment is a fresh beginning. What if I told you that a tall glass of freshness can help you to reduce your anxiety? What if I tell you that fresh juice can beat the hell out of your annoying intruder named anxiety? I'm not here just to say. I'm here with this video to let you know of a new way to fight back. Guess what? If you are too shy to tell your family about your anxiety, or if you don't want them to worry about you, try this way, and the only excuse that you need to give your family is "I'm trying to be physically fit and healthy." Mom, Dad, you don't have to worry about me anymore. About now, you might see the subscribe notification floating around somewhere. Don't forget to join my channel for more easy health tips to follow. In today's video, I will teach you how to catch two birds from one stone. First things first. I do not intend to misguide you just for views. Listen carefully. If you feel like your anxiety is getting worse, you must go to seek help from a professional. And if you are already taking any medication, before you try these juice recipes, you need to contact your doctor and get his or her permission. Are these juices dangerous? Absolutely not. But if you're taking prescribed vitamins or on medication for anxiety, diabetes, or any other illness, there is a chance that the ingredients and natural minerals and vitamins in the juice might cause some imbalance. Next is to make sure that you are not allergic to any of the ingredients. If there is any, you can always try the next recipe. Finally, having anxiety or any type of illness is not something you need to be ashamed of. We all live with our struggles. If you're here, which means you want to fight against it. So my only wish is that this video will be a help to you in some way. Anxiety is becoming very common among people regardless of their age, gender, or occupation. A fifth grader can experience anxiety as much as a law student who is facing the bar exam. What you don't know is that anxiety is a part of everyone's life. No one notices it. But no thanks to the internet today, when people see the common signs of anxiety, they start to think they have anxiety. In reality, what they take as an example might be the common fear when we do something beyond our comfort zone. This is usually treated with consultation, self-meditation, and therapy. In case of severe anxiety, you get treated with medication and consultation. Now, if you have the slightest concern that you are developing anxiety, this juicing method will certainly help you to cut it from the root. When I say juicing, it is not the protein shake you gulp down in gym sessions. It has been proved that drinking certain types of juices is an effective and convenient way to reduce anxiety and depression. Remember the two birds I mentioned before. The first bird is reducing anxiety. The second bird is a healthy diet intake that will strengthen your body and immune system. Wait, will that make it 3 birds with 1 stone? You decide. Researchers believe that vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds from different fruits and vegetables, which you get from many types of juice, they may offer protective effects on mental health. Let's start with the juices and how to gradually add them to your daily meal plan. Again, remember, I'm not telling you to replace your medication with juice. If needed, take your doctor's permission. Green apple and kale juice. Do you know what cortisol is? Think of it as the main stress alarm system in your body. It does help you deal with a dangerous or stressful situation. But when you have constant stress, the alarm won't shut down and it could lead to headaches as well as anxiety. So this juice will help you bring your cortisol levels down when your body naturally can't. The recipe is so easy, and you can shop the ingredients from the market and make it on your own. Ingredients: 3 Granny Smith apples, quartered cord, seeds removed. 2 lemons, peeled. 4 cups chopped Tuscan kale leaves. 1 cup parsley sprigs. 1 celery rib. Ginseng slice. We are looking at a 500 ml glass of juice here. You can whip it out in 10 minutes. First, wash the ingredients well and cut off any damaged parts or tough ends. Add these ingredients in this order to the juicer or the mixer you use. Start with apple, then kale, lemons, parsley, celery, and finally ginseng slice. Don't keep it for more than 12 hours. Much better if you drink it within a few hours after you make it. Berry and beet juice. Again, another juice to lower cortisol levels. If you don't like green, go red. Ingredients: 1 red beet, 1 cup of blueberries, 1 celery rib, 1 Granny Smith apples, halved, cored, and cut into chunks. Large handful of kale or spinach, half the tablespoon of rosemary leaves, 1 lemon peeled. The method is the same as before. Wash and cut off the unwanted parts. Peel off the beet and cut it into pieces. Juice kale first, then add the beet, berries, celery, apples, rosemary leaves, and lemon. This is a 500 ml amount, and you should drink it within 24 hours. Another reminder, if you haven't added any juices to your breakfast before, cut the 500 milliliter down to 200 milliliter per day or once per 2 days. Even when you are adding a new fertilizer to a plant, you don't pour down the same as before. You add it little by little till the plant gets used to the new intake. The same goes for your body too. Notice the differences in your body and go on with your phase. Make sure you don't drink more than 500 milliliter per day. That's not all, I've got more. This one is not just a juice, it's a full meal. Orange green smoothie. Ingredients: 2 cups milk. I use so delicious unsweetened coconut milk. 2 medium navel oranges zested and peeled with a knife so some peel remains. 2 handfuls of baby greens. 1/4 cup raw cashews or 1/4 avocado, and 2 tablespoons collagen, or all 3. 2 tablespoons coconut butter or MCT oil. Half cup frozen mango or fresh with some ice. Liquid stevia or honey to taste, only if necessary. Optional: 2 tablespoons hemp hearts or chia seeds. 1 scoop of collagen. It will only take you time to wash and prepare the ingredients. Put them all together in a blender and blend them well. The thing about collagen is that it won't add any special flavor, but it has so many gut healing, nail, hair, and skin benefits. Juices are full of nutrients like antioxidants, magnesium, B vitamins, vitamin C, and zinc. All of these have shown positive effects on anxiety and depression symptoms. Antioxidants can reduce increased brain oxidative stress that is associated with anxiety. Magnesium plays a key role in brain function and mood. Low magnesium diets have been linked with depression and anxiety. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. That's why it may combat anxiety, depression, and other stress-related disorders. I could go on with a list of benefits the juices have to your mental health, as well as your physical health. Next up is another smoothie, but this one is more delicious than the other ones for me and refreshing. Anxiety Relief Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1/4 of avocado, 1 cup of blueberries, 1 tablespoon turmeric, fresh, 1 tablespoon ginger root, fresh, 1 tablespoon almonds, half cup of green tea, brewed and cooled, 1 cup of almond milk, vanilla, unsweetened. Wash them, add them, mix them, and blend them. Done and drink. This smoothie is particularly all about healthy relaxation and positive vibes. The next recipe is for banana and peanut butter lovers. It's packed with stress and anxiety reducers. Distress smoothie. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 cup baby spinach, 1 cup non-dairy unsweetened milk, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 2 tablespoons raw cacao powder, 1 tablespoon golden flaxseed, handful of ice. Wash them, Add them and blend them. Last but not the least, Tart cherry juice. It is one of the most effective pain remedies, as well as an antioxidant generator. You can try this when you get a bit tired of the same tastes. Don't drink more than 200 ml per day. Now that you have the juices that you can drink, let me name some drinks that you should not drink when you are stressed or have anxiety. Regular soda, diet soda, coffee, energy drink, and alcohol. As you can see, too many Zias will increase the buzz inside your body. Especially avoid caffeine and caffeine-added drinks. They can cause weird heart rhythms, anxiety, and sleep issues. If you are that thirsty, drink water. Don't fall for typical commercials. In case you don't like the taste of the juice or the ingredients, I will list some ingredients rich in vitamin C, and you can make your juice. Berries: strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Oranges: red and green peppers, kale, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, grapefruit, guava, papaya, tomatoes. Just combine a small dose, 200 mg or less, of your adaptogen herb with vitamin C-rich fruits and vegetables, and voila! You got your healthy remedy.